Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about the retouching tool or the healing tools that we can use to fix an items or an object inside any image. We can use them to replace or to eliminate some areas we don't want inside any image we select. First of all, I need to unlock the image I used. And here we have the spot healing brush tool. We have the remove tool, healing brush tool, patch, and another tools. We are going to explain them, inshallah, today. First tool, when I select the first tool, any tool look like a brush. We can manipulate the size, the hardness by using this one. I can increase the size. I can decrease the hardness to make it transparent at the edges. Also, we have spacing for this tool. After I fix, if you can see, I can eliminate any part based on it works based on the pixels outside it to make like averaging the pixels and adding a new content. Here now I am selecting the content aware. I can select create a texture, and it will work based on a specific texture library added inside, selected inside Photoshop. Or I can select the proximity match. Work on a specific area. Also for the to make a match for the pixels outside, duplicate them with some algorithms and then put them inside. If we, with the first one, for example, I can eliminate any area I don't want by using this one. And this is about the first tool, which is the spot healing brush tool. I can use it, as I said. I just need to adjust the brush size, and then I can use it to fix the content. The second one, remove tool. We use it to remove an object from the image. You can see. And the third one, brush healing brush tool. This tool works between specifying an area and clone this area to put it in somewhere else. Of course, here we have controllers we can use. For example, now we are using sample. We can use button. For I click to replace based on a specific pattern exists inside Photoshop. And by the way, we can add button to Photoshop. But for now, let us stay with the. Of course, if I want to work here, I need to select an area close to it. For example, I need to zoom in. I need to decrease the brush. I want to fix the street, for example. If I want to go back, I need to press Control with 0. And this is about the healing brush tool. The brush tool works about cloning a specific area. Then I can move it here, move the selection here, and the content here will be based on the area here. For example, if I want to duplicate this car, I can select this car, and then if I want to hide it with something else, I can use it, but of course I need to focus on details. If now I am choosing the source to replace the content here with any area I choose. If I want to duplicate this car, I need to select the destination. Or if I want to move this car, I need to select the destination up, and then this car will be moved. And of course, with preserving the original one, I can move it by using the destination. As I said, the source will replace this area based on any area I specify. The destination will be copying this to the destination I move to. This is the batch tool. We have the content aware move tool. I use the content aware move tool, and then I hit done. It will move the object. We use it usually to move the object. Let me try it now. For example, I want to remove this. I'm selecting now the content aware. I press on done or enter. Of course, it will need fixing, especially in complex images like this. I can use it to, for example, duplicate this line or to move this line. So I hit on done. As I said, I can use it to move objects. To make a duplication, I can use the patch tool, or I can use the patch tool to fill a specific area with the destination area I specify. I move the mouse to. And these about the healing tools that we can use. The red eye tool, usually we use it when we have pictures. The eyes of the people inside this picture has a red color because of the flash. We can use it to fix their eyes. Also, we have tools to enhance the image. We have three tools here: the blur, the sharpen, the smudge tool. The blur to make any object inside this image blurry. To blur any object inside this image, I can use it. I can increase the strength for this tool. You can see now I made this car blurry. Of course, usually we use this tool when we made a selection. For example, we eliminate the background for for a character or an object. We use it on the corners to fix the corners for an image. After we made the selection and remove some areas, we can use it on the corners to appear them better. I have the Sharpen tool. Sharpen tool increase the difference between the color in a specific area. Works like the contrast we discussed before, like not exactly the same. And the third one, manipulating the pixels with the blurring them by using this tool. The smudge tool. Also, we have the Dutch pen and sponge. The Dutch move the pixels colors to white, and the pen move the pixels to black. We use them to highlight a specific area And we use to highlight specific area, we use the touch. To make it more whiter and to make some shadows, we can use the pen to increase the shadow on a specific area. For example, we can use the pen. And the third one, the sponge, we use it to reduce the saturation in a specific area. As I said, we use it to reduce the saturation in a specific area. Of course, these tools also work inside any selection we have. We can use them. This is about the touch, the pen, the sponge tools. You can try them. And that's it for today. Thank you.